George walks 1 mile to school. He leaves home at the same time each day, walks at a steady speed of 3 miles per hour, and arrives just as school begins. Today he was distracted and walked the first 1/2 mile at a slower speed of only 2 miles per hour. At what speed? In miles per hour. Must George run the last 1/2 mile so that he still arrives just as school begins? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. First, how much time does George normally have? He walks 1 mile at 3 miles per hour. Time equals distance divided by speed. So that is 1 divided by 3, which is 1/3 of an hour. 1/3 of an hour is 20 minutes. That is his full-time budget. Now, how long did the slow first half take? He walked 1/2 mile at 2 miles per hour. Time equals distance divided by speed. 1/2 divided by 2 is 1/4 of an hour, which is 15 minutes. So how much time is left? His total budget is 20 minutes, and he already used 15. That leaves 20 minus 15, which is just 5 minutes for the last half mile. 5 minutes is 1/12 of an hour. Finally, what speed does he need? Speed equals distance divided by time. He must cover 1/2 mile in 1/12 of an hour. 1/2 divided by 1/12 is 1/2 times 12, which equals 6 miles per hour. That is answer choice B.